Today, we are going to announce the launch of Second Foundation, a GRC automation platform targeted for SOC and ISO certifications. Second Foundation is a public interest project sponsored by Chipmunk Robotics. It is completely free for everything you need from risk discovery to control establishment. We also welcome professors use our platform to educate students who are interested in cybersecurity and technology. As you can tell from our features, unlimited number of risks and controls are supported in addition to custom columns and many other valuable functions. We only charge a nominal amount for evidence storage if you choose to use our premium feature for team collaboration and evidence storage. The amount we charge is per company with unlimited number of seats. Again, Second Foundation is a public interest project. The premium pricing supports our basic cost of maintaining our end-to-end encryption for evidences uploaded. Let us get started. The first thing is to sign up an account with Second Foundation. Then I will be prompted to verify my email. Once my email is verified, I would be prompted to enter my company information. Here, I will choose SOC 2 standard to start our journey. There are two ways to identify risks and controls. The recommended way is to use our questionnaire to identify risks and controls more accurately. We have AI agent working behind the scene to analyze the questionnaire that you completed so that our intelligent AI will help you identify your risk ratings and propose most relevant controls. Blanket risk and control adoption is also supported, but you would have to adjust risks and controls later on yourself. Our questionnaire is very detailed and split into a few topics for each standard. Answer those questions to your best knowledge about your company so that our AI can help you establish risks and controls most accurately. For our demo, I will answer these questions quickly. Of course, the demo answers don't represent Chipmunk Robotics' actual compliance status. When I click Next, after answering all the questions, the risks will be generated automatically based on my questionnaire. Let's take a look. You can tell that AI automatically identified different ratings for different risks. I can easily and quickly filter different risks by clicking the different risk cards on top. To edit a risk, simply click it. From risks to controls, you just need to click the control generation button. Our AI will finish the rest. Similarly here, each control card can be clicked to view specific controls. To edit a control, simply click it. Because we used AI to generate the controls from the risks, the linkage between risks and controls are automatically done for us. You can also choose to link additional risks to the control you are working on as well. Here, we also have one-click convenience button to change control status from design to implemented. The workspace view gives you the ability to quickly navigate between risks and controls in the same screen. Here, you can work on both controls and risks. In addition, you can export risks and controls to Excel files anytime you would like. Do not forget, you always have the option to add additional risks and controls yourself. I hope you liked today's introduction to Second Foundation. Again, please support us as this public interest project will help our profession to build more robust GRC and security in the future.